celebrate King's Day in Amsterdam? Well, in this video we'll tell you everything you need to know about celebrating King's Day in the best city in the Netherlands, Amsterdam. Of course, Amsterdam is the place to be on the 27th of April. So if you have a chance to visit Amsterdam on the 27th of April, it's definitely worth your while. The whole city turns orange because orange is the national color. It's an amazing party, DJs everywhere, boats filled with people. Everybody wears orange, like I said, orange hair, orange makeup, orange clothes. In this video, we'll give you a few great tips for when you visit on this day. King's Day actually used to be Queen's Day because it was the celebration of Queen Juliana on the 30th of April. But when King Alexander became king, he switched it around to his birthday on the 27th of April. So that is now the date to celebrate. And everybody here in the Netherlands has a day off. So what to expect on King's Day in Amsterdam? Well, it's a huge party, DJs everywhere, food everywhere, people partying on boats, in the streets. People will sell their stuff that they don't use or don't need anymore in the streets. So they'll put out a little rug and they'll sell their stuff on there. This is very well known in Amsterdam and it's called the Vrijmarkt, the free market, because only today everybody is allowed to sell anything they want, with the exception of live animal and food and drinks if you don't have a license. Canals are also a huge party. People rent out boats and celebrate and dance and drink and party the whole day. It's crazy and it's fun to watch. One thing, wear something orange because that's the national color and everybody here is wearing orange today. If you come out of the train station, they'll have stands everywhere selling these things or hats or any fun orange items, so you won't miss out. And on King's Day, we eat an orange tompoes. A tompoes is a puff pastry filled with custard, a custardy cream, and then topped with a sugary layer. Normally it's pink, but on King's Day they make it orange, and it's traditional that everybody eats one of these. And they're very difficult to eat. Some people just open them up. I'm just gonna put it in their mouth, but everything will splurge out. But I love these. That's what I said. Really good. Plan your route ahead of time because not everything in Amsterdam is as reachable as normal. Some trains don't run, other trains are very crowded. Parking will be hell today, so you better park outside of the city than take a subway or a train into the center. One other thing, bring cash because not all vendors will accept a credit or debit card today, especially the ones selling their stuff on a carpet. If you want to party, well, there's DJs all over the city, so you don't have to look for that and you don't have to pay for that. But there are also some festivals and concerts in town. There you can have a ticket for around 30 euros and you'll have a fun day at a concert with famous artists. Top tip. Of course, it's amazing to see Amsterdam from the water, especially for King's Day, but you have to come early because the boats fill up rather early, or make a reservation online. If you want to get the best spots where the boats leave, that's at Damrak. We will put a link to the location in the description box below. If you want to celebrate even more, then come to Amsterdam the day before King's Day on the 26th of April, because that's called King's Night. The whole night there will be parties and people partying everywhere in town. Subscribe to our channel for more on Amsterdam, the Netherlands, or any city in the world, because here on STUFR we stuff our face all over the world. Well, in this video it will be less stuffing but more enjoying this party here in the Netherlands. The sun is out, what is not to like? King's Day in Amsterdam, it is a huge party. It's actually also the first time for us celebrating in Amsterdam, because normally we celebrate it at the other side of the Netherlands, and we love it so far. It is so much fun and it's definitely an experience. So if you have a chance, plan your trip to Amsterdam accordingly and enjoy the big party. We're going to party and I'm quite hungry, so I think I'll have some food now.